Billionaires and Bitcoin. There aren't too many in this world who support and have adopted the decentralized asset. But of the ones who have and do, they have a big plan to change how the world sees BTC and its energy usage. So are you ready to be blown away? Well, you don't really have a choice because it's time for Chico Crypto. Billionaires and Bitcoin? If we're going to talk about that, we have to begin with Elon Musk. Elon shocked the crypto world back in February of last year when he announced his company Tesla would be buying a big old stack of BTC, $1.5 billion worth, and said the car maker would be accepting it as payment. But the hype of this started to fall apart when in May, Elon announced Tesla would stop accepting it as payment, citing environmental concerns. Although he said this as well, Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. But then the hype came crashing down when in June of this year, it was announced that Tesla had sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. From this article, we can see what Elon had to say about the sale. He said, "The reason we sold a bunch of our Bitcoin holdings was that uncertainty as to when the COVID lockdowns in China would alleviate. So it was important for us to maximize our cash position, given the uncertainty of the COVID lockdowns in China. We are certainly open to increasing our coin holdings in the future, so this should not be taken as some verdict on Bitcoin." Tesla stops accepting Bitcoin. Tesla sells a majority of their stack. It sounds like Elon and Tesla are out of the Bitcoin game, right? Wrong. So back in April of last year, I made this video. Elon Musk's plan for Bitcoin will change the world. And in the video, I made a bold prediction about a coming partnership which related to Bitcoin. Let's listen in. And we think this update is going to be a big one. This will be when Tesla and Square announced their initial partnership. Yep, I predicted Square and Tesla would be announcing a partnership in relation to Bitcoin. And boy howdy, did I get this 100% correct 1 year later. In April of this year, it was announced that Block, which is Square's new corporate name, Tesla and Blockstream would be joining forces to mine Bitcoin sustainably in Texas using renewable energy. Now remember when Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin for payment, Elon posted, "We intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy." And then Adam Back of Blockstream spoke on this partnership during the Bitcoin Miami conference the same month. Let's listen in.
You're working on something new and interesting with Block and powered by Tesla Solar, a new mine. Talk to us about, what are the details, where it will be located, what you'll be doing there, and what it means from an energy perspective.
Right, so it's a joint project between Blockstream and Block, formerly known as Square. And Tesla is building the solar infrastructure and also providing the Tesla Gigapack, which is a battery. So it's actually solar and battery, so that it runs, not just during the day. And what that means for the energy infrastructure is that it's a first step for us to prove out the thesis that a number of people have put forward, and we thought we would go from theory to practice and actually build it alongside Block, and that is that Bitcoin mining can actually help make new power projects, new green power projects, more cost effective, make them more profitable, and therefore easier to finance, and basically build the energy infrastructure for the future.
And then there was this talk in June of 2021, the B-Word conference, where Elon expanded upon this. Let's listen in.
And we want to do a little bit more diligence to confirm confirm that the percentage of renewable energy usage is most likely sort of at or above 50%, and that there is a trend towards increasing that number. And if so, then Tesla will resume Bitcoin, accepting Bitcoin. So I think we want to just do a little bit more diligence, and I think, but most likely the answer is that Tesla would resume accepting Bitcoin, most likely.
Elon wants to do due diligence that Bitcoin mining can become sustainable, and if this is the case, Tesla would resume accepting Bitcoin. He wants to see it put into practice, a proof of concept. Now let's replay Adam Back's talk about the joint venture between them, the block, and Tesla.
And what that means for the energy infrastructure is that it's a first step for us to prove out the thesis that a number of people have put forward, and we thought we would go from theory to practice and actually build it alongside block.
They are building out a proof of concept. They are going from theory to practice to show Elon it can be done. But this goes much deeper and much more involved for Tesla and Elon Musk. I'm talking about a crypto and energy revolution across a globe. But before we get into that, it's time for a sponsored segment of this video, brought to you by the team at Aurox. And like always, the details of our agreement can be found in the description. It's time to reintroduce your secret weapon for crushing the crypto markets and take your trading to the next level. Welcome, Aurox. When Aurox released their trading terminal last year, they brought simplicity to a complicated DeFi ecosystem. Nearly 100,000 traders have enjoyed the industry's most advanced all-in-one crypto trading platform with integrated intelligent market insights and trading indicators, helping users make smarter, more profitable trades. And the most impressive part is they've simplified the user experience. No more logging into an exchange after exchange. Place orders on any exchange or DEX right from your Aurox dashboard. Trade tokens from over 60 exchanges and DEXs from one terminal, one dashboard, all with one click. And holding URUS, Aurox's native token, users can unlock advanced trading indicators. But don't worry, full access to the terminal is always free. Anyone can use the platform. Furthermore, Aurox saw DeFi was dominated by just a couple browser wallets, all of which are confusing and lack advanced security technology. And they decided to change this and are introducing their own browser extension wallet with mobile app support, providing superior security and a massively simplified interface, compatible with every web browser, including Tor and every major hardware wallet. It's the Web3 wallet reimagined. Inspired by their user-friendly terminal, they built the same features inside their wallet. A simple interface with one-click cross-chain swapping. No more switching between blockchains and changing the RPC. No need to bridge your tokens and import contracts. Simply send or swap your crypto and you're done. The same can be said for your NFT collection. Easily store, trade, browse, and buy NFTs like normal. Also built in is a convenient way to monitor your portfolio by providing real-time in-app DEX data, live prices and charting, and portfolio stats. And Aurox didn't stop there. They also made this wallet the most secure in the market with built-in anti-phishing protection, malicious contract monitoring, and transaction simulations. This wallet protects and empowers the user to better understand their portfolio with a deeper financial perspective, making it a genuine wealth-building tool. And did I mention it's the first Web3 wallet with a built-in reward system? That's right, every wallet user is enrolled into the Aurox Society, where users get rewarded for simply performing their daily Web3 actions, then get entered into giveaways and contests to win crypto, NFT, whitelists, and so much more. But here's the deal. Aurox is limiting the wallet to only 10,000 users during the first year, and each user also gets a special NFT. The sign-up list has been maxed out, but Chico viewers get a special head start to secure a spot, because with this video, they are reopening the list for a short amount of time. So make sure to visit their site, getaurox.com/wallet right now and sign up. Also make sure to join their Discord and follow their Twitter. Links for everything are in the description. Now back to the ultimate plan for crypto assets led by Elon Musk. Back in 2016, Elon Musk put out a very important blog titled Master Plan Part 2, and this master plan had a section titled Integrate Energy Generation and Storage. And Elon said part of his plan was to create a smoothly integrated and beautiful solar roof with battery product that just works, empowering the individual as their own utility, and then scale that throughout the world. We can't do this if Tesla and Solar City are different companies, which is why we need to combine and break down the barrier inherent to being separate companies. Now that Tesla is ready to scale Powerwall and Solar City is ready to provide highly differentiated solar, the time has come to bring them together. Part of his master plan was to allow individuals to become their own utilities, aka allowing them to generate and sell power back to the grid or even to each other. Now in 2020, Tesla announced something special, their 25 guns. Muthu S, infrastructure lead for engineering, procurement, and construction, announced it on LinkedIn, saying, at Giga Berlin, we're planning to kick off a special 25-person engineering task force that will be deployed wherever the toughest problems are, reporting directly to Elon. Now, from a Mario Pavlovic's LinkedIn, we can see he is one of the 25 guns hired in December of 2020. So who is Mario Pavlovic? Well, scrolling down in his LinkedIn job history, we can see before Tesla, he was Energy Web's Director of Product Management. And from this profile Mario, we can see he was working on Energy Web Origin, a toolkit for the tracking and tracing of renewable energy on blockchain solutions. Could Mario be helping Tesla get prepared for the next energy revolution using Energy Web tech? Well, it's very possible. Why? Well, in August of last year, Walter Koch, managing director of Energy Web, tweeted this: Musk's vision of turning every home and EV into a distributed power plant, hashtag EWDOS. And this was retweeting a TechCrunch article on Tesla's big energy moves happening in Texas, where the Bitcoin mining project with Block and Blockstream is happening. So how does this relate to anything, Tyler? Well, if you scroll down in the comments of Walter's Tesla post, guess who replied? Mario did, and he said, power to the people. Now, Mario is one of the 25 guns of Tesla. He is highly important. If Tesla was creating competing technology to Energy Web, you would think he wouldn't risk his job by supporting Energy Web. But there has also been hints of Tesla and Energy Web working together during EWT presentations. In August of 2020, CEO Jesse Morris was giving a presentation on Energy Web tech infrastructure, and they included a Tesla logo as plugging in. Every other example of a partner, PG&E, Elia, Schneider Electric, APG, Sonnen, and PJM are public ecosystem partners of Energy Web. Why include Tesla if they aren't? Then again, in another presentation, Tesla was included in the slide. Now, why include Tesla in something if something isn't brewing behind the scenes? And we can't forget this post from May of 2020. Grid Singularity, the company behind Energy Web's energy trading systems, posted this: energy resources with trading strategies for a bottom-up optimal market, empowered with D3A. Check out Tesla's auto bidder. I don't know about you, but to me it looks like there is a connection. Tesla just might be using Energy Web stack, and an announcement of that could be in the pipeline. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.